Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Well, by the time this video comes out, I will be at Dragon Week, or VAM, pre-VAM, stuff like that. But I thought maybe I'd take a little ride here, and let's talk about cleaning your bike before a trip, or just in general, just keeping your bike clean and stuff like that. I don't know, just a random topic. So let's take a ride and let's talk about that. Roll that intro. What's up everybody? Like I said, welcome back to the channel. Like today's topic I want to talk about is cleaning your bike before a big trip, or just in general. This isn't really about how to clean your bike or any type of instructional thing or anything like that. This is just random talking about it. So like for the past probably week or so, it's been pretty hot around here, and I haven't really rode that much because of just the heat, and just also for just been kind of busy just with home life and stuff like that. Haven't got a chance to get out and ride. So plus I've been kind of getting the Scout ready for my up and coming road trip to VAM, and to doing both Dragons as well. So I thought maybe with having a little bit of free time that I did, I would go ahead and clean it up, not just wash the bike, but also do a little more of a detail to it as well, waxing and stuff like that. I picked up some of this like polish, this like turtle wax polish, kind of did like a light buffing on the tank and on some of the paint as well, to help kind of bring out some of the shine and the clear coat and all too. Because I mean, to be honest with you, like the only thing that I really do when I clean this bike is I might just like kind of wash it off, and I use this like sort of like this fast spray wax on it, and I usually use that and wipe it down. So I thought I'd go a little more into detail of cleaning it this time, and doing like the polish and kind of buffing with the polish, and then after that wiping it off, and then using this kind of like this Karuba wax I used on it as well, to kind of bring out some of the shine and kind of give it a little bit of protection and all too. Like I said, I'm not no expert in when it comes to cleaning bikes, and be honest with you, I don't really like spending a lot of time doing that. Protect for some of the elements, like the rain and stuff like that. I know a lot of you guys out there, like, y'all keep your own bikes pretty pristine and pretty clean. I try to keep this pretty clean as I can. I mean, I got it used, and it has a little bit of marks here and there. It's not perfect, and that's one thing that I would say is, that would be my pet peeve of getting something that would be new, is if I got something that was new, or I got a newer bike, I would hate that, because then you're all worried about, like, getting a scratch, or getting like something on it, or a rock coming up, chipping like the fender, or something like that. I mean, stuff like that happens, and it's nothing that we really can do about it. We try to avoid that, but unfortunately stuff like that happens from time to time. So I know this isn't perfect. It's got a few little nicks from rocks and things here and there that if you really looked up close, you could probably notice it. But I didn't buy a motorcycle to use it as a as a showcase, or for any kind of bike show or anything like that. I mainly got it to ride, and that's what I enjoy the most out of it. My thing is, well, that's a lot of hay. Hey! Hey, how's it going? So anyway, you know, I mainly got a motorcycle to ride, and my thing about it is, as long as it runs and it doesn't give me any maintenance issues or anything like that, I'm very happy with that. My takeaway on that is having something that is maintenance free, and so far I've got that with the Scout. It's been a very awesome platform, and I have really enjoyed it a lot. That's my take on cleaning my motorcycle. So also another subject is that VAM 24 is coming up. You know, it's by the time this video comes out, like I mentioned, it will I will be heading down for our early pre-VAM week. It's a few of us that are heading down to Tail of the Dragon at the beginning of the week, knocking out that, maybe a few other roads down there, down near the Tennessee and North Carolina area. I've never been to Tail of the Dragon. This will be the first time for me. It looks like to me it's near Pigeon Forge in Gatlinburg. Last time I was there was probably when I was a kid. So yeah, that was a long time ago. Went to Gatlinburg and Dollywood and all that stuff way back many years ago. So I'm sure probably maybe the Tail of the Dragon existed then, but being a kid I didn't know nothing about it. So it's gonna be kind of cool. I'm excited to go. It's a few of us that are gonna go. I believe some of like other ones have mentioned it on their channels. Blue Bike Adole and Her Three Wheels, and Christopher David Lawson of NEPA. So we're all gonna go to do that. I'm not sure if anybody else is going or not. If you are and you want to do that early pre-VAM week with us, it's going to start down in Marysville, Tennessee. You know, hit us up and let us know. Like I said, by the time this video comes out, we'll already be there. So, you know, if you're watching this, you might already know that we're there, and you might be there too. But either way, if that doesn't work out, then, you know, by Thursday, I think it's July 11th through the 13th, it's going to be VAM. It's going to be in Tazewell, Virginia. It's going to be the 4th annual VAM, the third one for me. That's going to be starting, meeting up at the Welcome Center at the back of the Dragon, and then Mr. G and Mr. G 1965 is going to be planning some events and rides for all of us for those few days that we're there, and going to be some afternoon and dinner activities and all that. Very kudos to Mr. G 1965. He always puts on an awesome show. You know, we always say is you don't have to be a moto vlogger. You don't have to ride you don't even have to ride a motorcycle. You just show up in your car or your truck. Anything, it doesn't matter. It's mainly VAM. VAM to me is just the it's just kind of a company of getting with fellow, you know, not just moto vloggers, but getting with fellow folks, you know, motorcyclists, people that are kind of into bikes, and, you know, even if you don't have a bike or something, it's just to hang out with a great group of people. It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun to meet up new people that are out, not around this area or per se, but, you know, just many different walks of life, and, you know, different states, different countries. It's a good time. I think we all look forward to doing this every year, and you know, I know sometimes, you know, we all can't make it all the time. I, for one, you know, the first year they had VAM, the first VAM was VAM 21, and I didn't make it that first year. You know, I unfortunately missed it, but, you know, if you don't make it, you know, we totally understand. Everybody does, and you know, life gets busy, and you know, but you know, we hope to see you next year. You know, as I say, it's like, you know, when I missed it the first year, you know, I was kind of bummed. You know, I kind of wish I was able to go, but it just, things didn't work out. So, but VAM is definitely a good time, and I think a lot of people enjoy coming to it and meeting up with folks. It's a really great riding in the Tazewell area, and a lot of untapped roads that, you know, we could ride and really enjoy. All right, everybody, I think that's enough talking for today, and for this video. Like I said, is you know, VAM is coming up here next couple days. By the time this video comes out, I'll be on the road. If you all are heading down to VAM, I hope you have a safe journey, safe trip, and all. And we'll see you when you get there. And thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it as always. Hope y'all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you at VAM.